Are you ready to transform your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is your ultimate kitchen game changer. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one incredible device. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake maker, and sterilizer. This multi-cooker truly simplifies meal prep, saving you counter space and precious time. No more guessing games. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking perfect meals is literally one touch away. From tender ribs to fluffy quinoa or even homemade yogurt, it handles everything with precision, making gourmet cooking accessible for everyone. And unlike non-stick alternatives, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking without chemical coatings. It's not just robust, it's also incredibly easy to clean, making post-dinner tidying a breeze. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's the best smart kitchen upgrade that delivers consistent, delicious results for busy families and aspiring home chefs alike. Ready to experience the future of cooking? Find the best deal and purchase your Instant Pot Duo Plus today via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone serious about efficient, healthy, and delicious meals, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 2025 is an absolute must-have for your kitchen.